Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Sir Amar and today I am here at Karachi Cambridge School where the open house is going to be happening today from Monday to Wednesday. So I think kids have done massive job, especially these little kids who are the participants of this. They actually have done a massive job, so I'm gonna just walk you through some of them um, that they have done. So as you can see, there are a couple of things right there, and the best part of this is about the kind of work they have put, the effort that they have put over here. I think it's rather into winter. Work has been superb. I really appreciate it. So you can see the habitat of um, these animals like penguins and the polar bear. It's the winter and it's looking very nice. There we have cold hands, and there's a winter portion, so everything here is related to winter. So guys have done a massive job. Their names are written on there, little kids, and I think kids have done so good, and I really want people to come and see this and appreciate the kids because they do need the appreciation for this. um, they have to feel like they have done enough. Look at the autumn portion. So this is autumn portion, and the work is the amount of work they have done over here is amazing. This is actually explicit kind of work, the autumn stuff. So this autumn portion is very nice. I really like it. There are the weathers right there, and this portion is for summer, which I really adore. I mean, summer is the best, best thing to have when you to go to the beach, as you can see, and I really like to go to the beach when it's summer, and I really like this stuff. And there's a spring section, so this is also explicit. I really like this kind of work. Kids have done massive job and they need to be appreciated. And for that, I really want you guys to come over here and appreciate the kids because they're gonna be here from 9 to 2. That's from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's the open house in Karachi Cambridge School Junior Campus, Karachi Cambridge School Junior Campus, and you can come over here, have some time with the kids also, and see the things that they have done. This is, by the way, this is just one class, and there are other classes out there, so you can come and have a look. I really like it. So thank you for watching, and let's move into the other class. Welcome back guys. So this time I am here and this class is talking about the food, and you see healthy food obviously. So you can see the kind of foods that sources, the vitamin sources, and that's amazing. I mean, good. This is something I really like, and there are a couple of facts. Best time to drink water, and there are a couple of carbs, protein, fats, nutrition, and everything like nutrition's out there. So this is something good. This part is the Nurdu, so this is obviously amazing. And we have this, the sugar content for Sting, Coke, Aquafina. There is no sugar, so you must drink Aquafina, guys. don't drink Coke, Pepsi, Mirinda. So you can see this is not good for you. The amount of the sugar in it is gonna give you a lot of diseases actually. The trees out there, that's good. And food fraction, this is amazing. Wonderful. This is amazing. I really like this. There is something about the food pyramid. So this is also one of the amazing classes I have seen so far. And you can see the items over there. It's looking amazing. By the way, this is a burger. I wish it was for real, but that's fine. Okay, there's some couple of biscuits which I really eat, but especially the chocolate. By the way, this is amazing. So healthy food and unhealthy food, obviously. So that's amazing. So this is a class. I think we should move to the other class now. So let's see you there. So welcome back, guys, and this is actually the best class I see. That's about our environment is in our hand, and as you can see, there is the people are connected to the earth, and this is our planet. We must take care of it, obviously, and they say no to pollution, obviously, because the pollution is so bad for our habitats, not just the humans but also the animals. So I think this is a very good idea, and it's about the recycling, and there's a good healthy earth out there, but I don't think so right now. We are living in that world, but we have to, obviously, and there are a couple of things about the plants. Right there you can see the amount of work that is being done by the people. This air pollution kind of things right there. Amazing job, amazing work done by the kids. There's some kind of plants. Amazing. I really adore this place. There's a lighting from back, so we cannot show this, right? Okay. So this is really amazing, and the idea behind this is so amazing. I really like it. I think we should protect our habitats and make our environment clean, and also enhance our healthy habits, so that we can just protect ourselves from the pollution and diseases out there. So this is amazing. Good job done by this class also. So let's move to the other class now. Hi guys, so hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoyed the things that have been shown in the video, especially by the kids, the amazing work that has been done by the teachers and the kids also. So the open house is like from Monday to Wednesday from 9 till 2. That's the morning, and you must come here with your kids. If you want to come personally, you can also come here and visit us. Also, the thing is that there is a 40% off in admission fees during this time period, so you must avail this opportunity to get your child registered. Especially 40% off is something which, if I were a parent, I would definitely go for it. So especially during this inflation time, so this is something you must avail. I think that you must come, and especially for the kids, you see they have put a lot of efforts over here, which I really liked, and I think they must be appreciated, they must be acknowledged, and you must come here, and let's hope for the best. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz and take care.